Aloha and welcome to 1036 Green Street, apartment 304, located in downtown Honolulu. This property is going to be listed at $309,000 with a maintenance fee of only $464 a month, covering all kinds of things. This property is located where you can walk, take the bus, and have easy access to all the things downtown. So why don't we go in and take a look? This property has such a great kitchen for a one-bedroom. You have counter space up top and down below. You have pull-out drawers here for your bigger pots and pans. And the best parts are you've already got a new faucet, a new garbage disposal, brand new gas oven. So if you like to cook on gas, it's really hard to find properties in Hawaii that offer that. But this one is hooked up, ready to go with a brand new stove. And you also have a full-size, brand new French refrigerator. So as far as trying to save money and cook in your apartment, this property has everything you're gonna need. So if you're looking for a condo that makes good financial sense, listed at $309,000, less than $500 for your maintenance fee, give us a call so we can talk story about what this one looks like for you.